Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone SE. As you can see here, this is how the iPhone SE looks. This is the rose gold variant. As you can see here inside it says iPhone SE. At the bottom we have the Apple logo. On the right side we have iPhone SE. At the top we have the Apple logo. On the back we can see it is a 16 gig iPhone. So now let's unbox it. As you can see here, the first thing that we get is the iPhone itself. As you can see, this is the new rose gold color iPhone SE. This is the dual flash, the noise cancellation mic, a 12 megapixel camera. This is the Touch ID and home button. This is the ear speaker. This is the front-facing camera. This is the sensor. Here on the right we have the SIM tray slot. These are the antennas band. The bottom we have the speaker, the mic, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the lighting port. Top we have the power button. Now let's continue. Here we have more papers like manuals and stuff like that. iPhone SE, iPhone information, and some Apple logos stickers. Here in the box you can see we have the lighting USB to lighting cable. Here we have the wall adapter, and the last thing that we have in the box is the earbuds. So there you go, guys. This has been the unboxing of the iPhone SE. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel so you can get more content. If you have any question, please leave it down below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.